us and our heavily armed.
Hi, I'm Sam.
Oh, heavily armed.
I am not likely to spot anything from here.
This is Alaska life. So all you people watching from the lower 48 know what it's like hunting up in Alaska. This is what it's like.
Have you seen me?
You just go driving down the road and
I don't remember you seeing
big
me.
truck
Oh,
with
hello.
lots of guns. And then you hope you see something.
Oh, look, another
That's
car.
what it's like. At least for hunting with birds. We are currently looking for birds off the road. Have not seen anything, and Sammy's trying to do some breakdancing.
Go, go.
How exciting is this, Levi? Ray, can you give us a rating?
Walking in the rain, exactly what I didn't want to do this year.
So can you give this walk a 1 out of 10? 10 for great, 1 for bad.
5.
Well, if you guys were wondering what it looks up the Denali Highway up in Alaska, this is what it looks like. At least in the fall, close to winter. You can already see snow top of the mountains. It's getting close. Well, so far that was pretty unsuccessful for birds. But that was only our first go so far. Sorry guys, we did see a whole bunch of birds this morning. That we actually shot some birds this morning, but I wasn't on that trip, that first trip, and they didn't have the GoPro, my parents, so this is what you get. I hope you're enjoying it though.
So this is us hunting pros walking with their guns. Gonna kill a bird. Oh no, no, thrash is happening. Oh no, oh, woods like that. We're going through the woods. Ah! They're leading me. Wait up! Wait up! I almost got sucked into a swamp. Yeah, totally. Yeah. So see you next time, folks.
Hello. We now have made it on top of this small hill. We tried to see if we could find some birds up here. We did not find anything so far.
Dad,
Yeah?
do you think
But we're having fun. That's the important part. Okay guys, sorry, I was just putting on my gloves and unfortunately you just missed. We just spotted a bird. It flew up. We're about to go find it again. And hopefully get it too. Well guys, we just found some more ptarmigan.
Ah, come on, bring, come on. Good boy. Okay, out.
Another one out.
Thanks for watching, and make sure to smash that subscribe button like this.